Ngesikhathi evele ngohlelo lwe-internet phambi kwekomidi lezamanzi nenhlanzeko ePhalamende, uDada Morero wethembise ukuthi lezi zinselele zamanzi eGoli zizoxazululeka zingakapheli izinsuku eziyisikhombisa. Lokhu-ke kuza emva kokuba uMorero ekuvumile ukuthi azihambanga kahle izinhlelo ebezikhona zokuxazulula lezi zinselele eCoronationville kulandela imibhikisho kule ndawo naseWestbury.
We are looking as part of the IGR decisions that with summer coming, we are going to see high consumption, and therefore we have to implement certain levels, including level 1 restriction to ensure that we can push consumption.
Kepha izakhamuzi esezikhulile zaseCoronationville zithi le nselele yamanzi eqhubekayo yenza kube nzima ukuphila.
There is no water in our taps. And the mayor said, Mr. Mayor said, for 3 weeks there won't be water. Today there is no water trucks in our community. We, the elderly, must carry buckets from the Jojo right up to the stairs. We've got a lot of elderlies that are not capable of carrying those buckets.
Kusenjalo umqondisi jikelele womnyango wezamanzi nenhlanzeko uthi omasipala baseGauteng kumele belwe nenselele yamanzi axhaxhazayo.
The key point, Chairperson, is that Rand Water is supplying sufficient water to Gauteng municipalities to meet their needs if they were to reduce the leaks in their distribution systems and invest more in their distribution infrastructure, including storage and pumping capacity.
Morero uthi iGoli lisezinhlelweni zokulungisa ingqalasizinda yamanzi endala ukuze kuzoncipha izinselele zamanzi.